tests that some companies do where they take a couple of your hairs, or they take some DNA and they genetically profile you essentially. So there is a company that's come forward and said that by taking a few drops of your blood, they can check out your personalized health, they can look at your genetics, and they can give you a personalized meal based on your DNA to make you healthier. Not necessarily happier, because you might be eating the same thing for weeks, but, you know, healthier. So it's kind of a question, is this something that we even care about, you know? Would you do something like this? If it can make the difference between you living to the age of 70 and living to the age of 85, would you do something like this? Would you get yourself a test so you can have a personalized meal? That's it. 018-789-8899 on WhatsApp or on Twitter and Instagram at BFM Radio. Would you take a DNA test just to get a perfect meal?
That should be interesting.
You can get the style of food you eat.
Noon on Enterprise Business. In the meantime, here's my conversation with Max.
But the food poison.
Did we told you they are going to give you a personalized meal to make you healthy?
Are becoming regional and global players. Now, on the show today, we have a money services provider, Max Money. Now, Max Money offers a fast, secure, and convenient way for individuals and businesses to exchange and transfer over 100 different foreign currencies to more than 190 countries worldwide. The service allows users to get the real exchange rate, or as Max Money calls it, highly competitive bank-beating rates. They're constantly updated in real time. And in 2012, Max Money became the first company to obtain a full-fledged MSB license, which is regulated by Bank Negara. But they've been around for at least a decade before that happened, and to tell us the story of how it all began and what we can expect from Max Money in the future is founder and CEO Abda Hamid. Welcome, Abda. A little bit of story, by 10 years ago, how did that happen and how that evolved?
We are down to one set. What happened to all the other sets?
Well, you know, being I've my hometown is Penang. I came to KL in 1990 for look for opportunity, and then after a long journey, I've learned more experience. I started my own company. And I got one set. Then we wanted to solve problem of giving exchange rates and also remittance business in the country.
So very soon
so that company started, you said 10 years ago.
Yes.
So it's always been the same business, or did it change over the years?
Well, my background is money changing business.
Maybe it's artisan drives like that.
Not really a family, but I founded myself.
Overtake the left hand side.
From all the way from Penang to opportunity in Kuala Lumpur.
Take down a picture
I've learned, almost 10 years. I worked for people for 10 years, and then I started my business in early 2000.
Okay.
2000. Then I went from there. Initially, I started with 100 square foot of money changers. Always like to do things different than others, as always people say, think out of the box. So what I do, I invest in technology by then to have my business digitalized, and we have a website, and I'm talking about even before Google exists. I'm talking about 1998 or so.
Wow.
So then my business is picking up from there. What I do, I also want only money changer. After that, I thought I want to solve remittance issues. So I thought of apply remittance license. It took a while before I got approval. And then I started a remittance business in 2008. So by then, you know, under Malaysian regulation, you can't have under single roof. So you should only have remittance and money changes separate roof. And it was fully, and it was regular. And then in 2000,
his transport is, they only have a motorbike.
They have money changing act.
Yeah, so it's either him riding or somebody else riding to buy veg lah, this lah, that lah, do whatever, do errands.
So being a local company, we have applied money exchange and also remittance. So during the relicensing, we requested
too messy.
I tried to close the deal. I tried to close the deal. Then you come along.
Okay. Now, when you started the business, or even as it is, what are the pain points in this space? that you're trying to
shop owner.
help or resolve?
Koperasi.
Yeah, where is the Koperasi? Beside our.
Budget airlines has been.
Oh, it's not the one. It's not the one. The Koperasi police beside the police station.
Travel, they need to have very competitive like you and me. If you want to travel, I need to have
Beside the police station, there's the Koperasi
to have
police.
my budget is enough. So from there, I thought, how can we
Koperasi
give
police
the most
beside the police
competitive
station, no?
rate compared
A
to
Koperasi,
the
a cooperative.
exchange with the banks. And of course, your
Huh?
exchange rate is much
You set up a cooperative
very high.
to look after the value, to do business and to look after the value, to do business for the welfare of their members.
Of the
Just like your school cooperative lah.
the
Where you
retired
got school cooperative?
ex-policemen lah.
They always being you see anybody, if myself or you or anyway, people always look at the same
Oh, so
product.
it's right.
So that is how I started. Now we are into digital.
Okay, so now this is, so what happened was that I think one of your solutions and services was aimed at improving efficiencies and reducing transaction costs, and this is in line with the World Bank's Project Greenback 2.0 initiative, right? How much more efficient and cost effective is it to use Max Money solutions?
Okay, basically we are looking at being as Max Money. So as we earlier mentioned that
Looks like
we
you
have
got
three
to get down and
different
go buy some
the business
pisang from your
money
Lawrence's.
exchange, as I earlier mentioned. The one is
Favorite
remittance,
store.
so remitting money.
We are down
for
to
those
only
who work
2
in
more
Malaysia,
pens and 1
send
guava.
money, workers. So, but not only workers from 2000 from this year, we also support SME business. If
Yang
SME
number
business
one,
want to send money to their supplier,
Đây
they
Lawrence
always
Bay
look
gì
for
là chị à?
À khó lo,唔是啊水款的啦，你所以會3塊啦。
competitive we can
其
offer.
他人講什麼
Obviously,
3塊
whole
半、4
idea is
塊啊。
to give to bring down the cost of the SME customers as well as the hard-earned money. Like those people, can be foreigner, they come here, work 12 hours, they earn small amount of money, then we would ensure
Then
that
you see
they should
your
be able to send back
BSN or
money
IKEA
and a piece of
推出
mind
來。
and
This
be the cost
stupid man
effective.
Right. And when I go to the website, right, is there for all to see that you guarantee the best rates for money transfers across the world, including provide users with 9 times savings on each transfer. How can you guarantee those rates?
Oh well, of course that is something that we can guarantee in terms of we can always do a compare apple to apple.
The parking lot mà.
Already we are parking here, then we go.
It's very simple.
you
Another
some
engine
margin,
is
I
one
told you
percent
already,
is
don't hunt the floor. Okay?
When you see
if you